Hello, it's AliMECH. I recorded this video in 2019 and made a repair and restoration for these damages on this 2010 Mitsubishi Outlander. I wanted to share with you this old video I recorded in December 2019. It was a long video, but I read it again and made it shorter. I can see some wrong things I'm doing here, but I was using what I had with basic knowledge at that time in terms of quality repair and safety. But the result was good, that's why I wanted to share with you this old video. Let me know in the comment section below the mistakes I'm doing in this video. Enjoy the repair and I'll see you in the next one.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I